Hello everyone, I'm Sadnan Sakib. Welcome back to my another video. And so today I'm gonna talk about Retell AI. So nowadays everyone is creating AI voice agents, and these agents can call you or can receive call from the user. So what's the benefit? Like companies now don't hire people for calling because the employees are not available all the time 24 hours, but these agents are available for 24 hours. So that's the huge benefit for the companies. So nowadays every companies are moving from human being to this AI voice agents who can receive the call or can do the marketing call for them. So for that I will show you how to step by step you can install Retell AI, how to give the proper prompt, and you can connect your this AI agent with your company website and everything. So for that, first you need an account in Retell AI, and so click in this login button here for creating an account. Or then I already have an account, so I just logged in. So you guys, after log in, they will ask some questions like from where you guys heard about Retell AI, some random questions. So give the answers, and then you will get this interface. I already have a AI agent created. Let me quickly delete it. So the first interface will be like this. So it will be empty when you first log in here. So what you have to do is, like, you need a agent. For that you need to create an agent. So we need a voice agent, not a chat agent. So a voice agent can receive the call or can call to the customer. So I will select the voice agent here, and there are so many different options here. You can use your custom LLM, multi-prompt agent, conversation flow agent. Like for different tasks there are like different agents. Even the big companies like DHL and those other big shots use AI agents like this. And so multi-prompt agent and conversational flow agent, these are like for high level companies, but for now we will only focus on single prompt agent here. So I will click here, I will start from blank, so select this one and create. Then you will see this kind of interface here. You can give your agent a name. So maybe it's like my first agent. So I give my agent a name, and here you have to give the prompts like what should the model do, like this introduction. I'm just randomly writing the prompt. Here also you can select the GPTs, like you can see the prices here. And when you first log in to Retell AI, you will be given $10 free for free, and you can use this for free without any card. And you can uh, play around with this money here for testing your AI agent. So I'm just gonna write introduction. So I will say you are a personal assistant of Salman Saqib, who is a dentist, maybe. Yeah. And uh, you will call people if they need an appointment. Well, it's kind of stains that for dentist doctor, the AI will call to the customer and ask if they need help. But just for example, I'm writing this, and you can select rules like this. Don't give any, or I will say rules. And like, you have to write in a very short way so that the AI can quickly read it and understand it. So don't give any information that you are a chatbot, you are an agent, so AI agent. Then maybe don't promise any prices, or talk about any other topics than appointment. So your personal assistant of Salman Saqib, who is a dentist, and you will call people if they need an appointment. So I will maybe say maybe your steps. So one, call the customer and wait for response, and then greeting, give a warm greetings, tell about Salman Saqib's dental experience, and then maybe collect the data. Sorry, ask the date which is preferable, maybe okay, preferable for appointment. Conclude your call with a nice and formal way. So that's it. It's not perfect yet, and you are a personal assistant of Salman Saqib, who is a dentist, and you will call people if they need an appointment, and I will give some information about the company, I mean the dentist doctor. So I will say about Salman Saqib. He is a 28 years dentist with 4.8 Google ratings, and finished his study from some university like Munich Dental University, maybe University Germany, and he works at maybe Munich dental hospital. I don't know if there is any dental hospital in Munich or not. So like this, and I will click save, and let's test this. When you click here, you can test it. So I will allow. Hello.
Hello, thank you for taking my call. I'm reaching out on behalf of Dr. Sadman Saqib, a highly experienced dentist with a 4.8 Google rating. Dr. Saqib completed his studies at Munich Dental University in Germany and currently practices at Munich Dental Hospital. May I know which date would be most convenient for you to schedule your dental appointment?
Sorry, but I'm not interested.
Thank you for letting me know. If you ever need dental care in the future, Dr. Sadman Saqib would be happy to assist you. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, bye. So initially I gave the prompt, but yeah, we need to work more on the prompt, because like it's talking just like a book, and hello, and this is this. We need to fix this, and for that I will show this how to fix these prompts on my next video. For now, that's it. Thank you very much, guys, and please subscribe to my channel for support.